this video we are going to discuss about variables. To begin with, let me tell you what a variable is. Basically, a variable is something that can store some data or some value for some time temporarily when the program is running. We basically have some data types. Now, what is a data type for a variable? Data type basically tells what kind of value is stored. We have different data types as integer, character, double, float, and string. Integer, age. First we write the data type, the name of the variable, and then assign a value to it. Let's put 30. After this, I'm going to create another variable, character, section, a value, a to it. Note that a character data type variable stores single character. There is double data type variable. Next, string data type. Now, working with string is a little bit different in C++ than some other programming languages. Float, length constant. Now, here we have variables of type integer, character, double, string, and float. Now, what I'm going to do is I'm going to display this in the console screen. Now, in the output screen, you can see it says he is a programmer and he is 30 years old. While displaying, we will add the variable or we will place the variable and then it will show in the output screen. Now, you might have noticed this occupation data type is string and this age variable data type is integer, but while displaying them in the output screen we have to just place it and without giving much information about kind of data type it has.